Welcome back to Lucky English for Beginners. Expanding your vocabulary is a fantastic way to become fluent. Here are 300 daily conversational sentences organized by topic to guide your practice. Now listen to the sentences about greetings and introductions. Hello, how are you today? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. My name is John. What is your name? It is very nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from Canada. How have you been lately? It has been a long time since we last met. How is your family doing? I am doing very well, thank you. It is a pleasure to finally meet you in person. How are things going with you? Welcome to our beautiful city. Please make yourself at home. I hope you are having a wonderful day. See you later. Take care of yourself. Let us move on to some phrases for basic politeness. Please. Thank you very much. You are entirely welcome. Excuse me. I am so sorry. No problem at all. That is perfectly okay. Could you help me, please? I really appreciate your help. Have a great day. Pardon me, I did not catch that. Please go ahead after me. I apologize for the delay. Thank you for your patience. It was my mistake entirely. May I please have your attention? I am grateful for your time. Please forgive me. Do not worry about it. It was a pleasure helping you. Here are some common questions you might need to ask. What time is it right now? How much does this cost? Where is the nearest restroom? Can you repeat that, please? Do you speak English? What do you mean by that? How do you spell that word? Where can I find a taxi? What is the weather like today? Are you ready to go? When is your birthday? Who is calling, please? Why did you decide to come here? How long will it take to arrive? What are you doing right now? Can I ask you a quick question? Where did you buy that shirt? How do I use this machine? Is there a bank near here? Who can I talk to about this issue? Now listen to the sentences about expressing understanding and confusion. I understand perfectly. I am sorry, I do not understand. I know exactly what you mean. I do not know the answer. I think so too. I do not think that is correct. Maybe we can try later. Absolutely. Of course. That makes a lot of sense. Could you speak a little slower, please? Please write that down for me. I am confused about this part. Let me see if I have this right. Can you give me an example? Now I get it completely. That is clear to me now. I am still not sure I follow you. Could you explain that one more time? I have never heard of that before. Next, we have sentences related to work and career. What do you do for work? I work in an office downtown. How was your day at work? I have an important meeting this morning. I need to finish this project today. Can we schedule a quick call? Let us take a short break. I am currently looking for a new job. My boss gave me a new assignment. We are hearing new employees right now. Could you please send me that email? The deadline for this task is tomorrow. I am working from home today. Let us discuss this in the conference room. Please print these documents for me. I received a promotion last week. Our team did a great job on this. I will be on vacation next week. Please leave a message after the tone. I will call you back as soon as possible. Now listen to the sentences about school and education. I am currently a student. What subject are you studying? My major is computer science. I have a big exam tomorrow morning. Did you finish the homework assignment? The teacher is very helpful. Where is the library located? I need to borrow a pencil. Let us study together after class. I received a high grade on my test. The lecture was very interesting today. Can I look at your notes? When is the essay due? I need to return this book. School starts early in the morning. I am taking 5 classes this semester. The campus is very large. I am looking for the science laboratory. Graduation is only a few months away. Education is very important to me. Let us go over some useful phrases for food and dining. I am getting hungry. I am very thirsty. Let us go get something to eat. What is your favorite type of food? Can I see the menu, please? I would like a cup of coffee, please. This food is absolutely delicious. Could we have the check, please? Do you have any vegetarian options? Please note that I am allergic to peanuts. I would like my steak cooked medium. Can I get a glass of water, please? The soup is a little too salty. I am full, thank you. Let us leave a good tip for the waiter. Do you prefer sweet or savory foods? I will have the same thing as him. Are there any desserts available? I prefer eating spicy dishes. Let us try a new restaurant tonight. Now listen to the sentences about travel and directions. Can you show me where we are on the map? Go straight ahead down the street. Turn left at the very next corner. Turn right when you reach the traffic light. Is your destination far from here? No, it is actually very close. Where is the nearest train station? Excuse me, I think I am lost. Can I buy a bus ticket here? What time does the next train arrive? I need a ticket to London, please. Where is the baggage claim area? My flight departs in 2 hours. Do I need to change trains? The museum is right across the street. How much is a round-trip ticket? Please fasten your seatbelt. We are staying at a hotel near the beach. I would like to rent a car for the weekend. Have a safe and pleasant journey. Here are some sentences you can use to talk about hobbies and free time. What do you like to do in your free time? I really enjoy reading books. I love watching movies on the weekend. Do you play any sports? I enjoy listening to music. Let us go outside for a walk. I love traveling and seeing new places. Are you completely free this weekend? What are your plans for tonight? We should definitely hang out soon. I play the guitar every evening. Photography is my favorite hobby. I enjoy painting and drawing. We are going camping this weekend. She loves baking cookies for her friends. I collect old coins from different countries. Playing chess helps me relax. Do you like to go fishing? I spend my weekends gardening in the backyard. Yoga is a great way to stay flexible. Now listen to the sentences about shopping and money. I need to buy some new clothes today. Where is the closest supermarket? Do you have this shirt in a smaller size? I am just looking right now, thank you. Where are the fitting rooms located? This dress looks beautiful on you. Do you accept credit cards? I would like to pay with cash. Can I get a receipt, please? This item is currently on sale. I would like to return this jacket. Do you offer any discounts for students? These shoes are very comfortable. I cannot afford to buy this right now. The store opens at 9 in the morning. Let us grab a shopping cart. I need to buy some fresh vegetables. Are these apples organic? Please put my items in a paper bag. Thank you for your excellent service. Next, let us review sentences about family and friends. How many people are in your family? I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. My parents live in another city. Are you married or single? I have been married for 5 years. We are expecting a baby soon. My grandmother tells the best stories. He is my best friend from childhood. I am visiting my cousins next week. Family is the most important thing to me. We always have dinner together on Sundays. My sister is older than me. My brother is very tall and athletic. I am an only child. We are planning a family reunion next month. My uncle is visiting us from overseas. I share an apartment with 2 roommates. She is a very loyal and kind friend. Let us invite them over for dinner. I miss my family very much. Now listen to the sentences about health and wellness. I feel very healthy and full of energy today. I try to exercise at least 3 times a week. Drinking plenty of water is good for your health. I caught a bad cold yesterday. My head hurts a lot right now. I need to make an appointment with the dentist. You should get some rest and drink warm tea. I take vitamins every single morning. She goes to the gym after work. Mental health is just as important as physical health. I have a slight fever this evening. My throat is very sore. The doctor gave me a prescription for medicine. I feel much better today, thank you. Eating fresh fruits is a great habit. I need to lose some weight before summer. Walking outside helps me clear my mind. Make sure you get enough sleep tonight. I am trying to eat less sugar. Stretching your muscles is very important. Here are some phrases to help you discuss the weather and nature. The weather is absolutely beautiful today. It looks like it is going to rain soon. I forgot to bring my umbrella with me. It is freezing cold outside this morning. The sun is shining very brightly. I love walking in the snow. The wind is blowing very hard right now. We had a terrible thunderstorm last night. Spring is my favorite season of the year. The autumn leaves are changing colors. It is too hot to stay outside today. The sky is completely clear and blue. There are many beautiful flowers in this garden. The ocean water is very warm. We climbed to the top of the mountain. The forest is so peaceful and quiet. I love listening to the birds singing. The air feels so fresh in the countryside. It is quite humid today. Let us enjoy the nice breeze on the patio. Now listen to the sentences to express your feelings and opinions. I am feeling very happy today. I am quite tired after work. I am feeling a bit sick this morning. I am so excited about the trip. That is a fantastic idea. I am so sorry to hear about that. In my opinion, we should wait. I completely agree with you. I have to disagree with that point. What do you honestly think about this? I am feeling a little nervous about the interview. She was very surprised by the gift. He looks very angry about the situation. I am proud of all your hard work. This movie is incredibly boring. I feel so relaxed right now. It is frustrating when things go wrong. I believe that honesty is always the best policy. To be honest, I do not like this flavor. You did a wonderful job today. Finally, listen to the sentences about emergencies and help. I need to see a doctor immediately. Please call the police. Are you feeling okay? I have lost my mobile phone. Please call an ambulance right now. This is a serious emergency. Can I please borrow your phone to make a call? Help me, please. Where is the closest hospital? Watch out. Fire, please evacuate the building immediately. My wallet was stolen from my bag. I locked my keys inside my car. Can you please help me find my child? There has been a terrible car accident. I need to report a crime right away. Please tell me where the emergency exit is. I cannot breathe very well. Please hurry, there is no time to lose. Stay calm and everything will be okay.